Hey everybody, it's Aaron from DV Workshops, and here to talk about how you can create sequences of images to tell a story instead of just running around with your camera. And I have a method to do this. It's called Pivot 1, 2, 3. Let's get going. Now what I'd like to talk about is what I call Pivot 1, 2, 3. When I'm getting my cutaways, I generally shoot at least 3 or 4 from one single position. From that one position, I pivot and I grab 3 or 4 images that when edited together will create a sequence. Now here, watch for example. Inside this tripod shot, I want to get some documentation, some cutaways for some voiceover of the person repairing the tripods. So notice how from one position I get the master wide, and then I go in for the close-up of the face, the repair of the tripod, then back to the wide shot. I did not move my tripod from one position. I pivoted and got all shots. Okay, so every time you go out to grab some action, people working at a computer, people swimming, folks doing any kind of action, don't run around. Set up your tripod or stand from one position, get your wide shot, zoom in, get your other 2 or 3 shots, holding them for 10 to 20 seconds each with audio, and then back to the wide shot. It'll make your editing simpler. You're actually shooting for the edit, creating sequences for the viewer. Pivot 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's take a look at Pivot 1, 2, 3 again. The wide shot, the medium shot, the close-up, all from one position. I'm not moving my tripod. And then storytelling shot later. Pivot 1, 2, 3. From one position, grabbing all the shots you need.